Hello guys, today I'm gonna build a Cybertruck out of Legos, obviously. Okay, so let's get started. So the things that we need are just right here, all of them. And the first thing that we're gonna get is this guy here. And then we're gonna get that, and we're gonna get that. And with these two pieces, we're gonna attach them like this, and then we're gonna do the same thing with the other piece. Oh no, backwards, sorry. Like that, as you could see. Just make it tighter. Oh, sorry, just wait a little bit. Okay, I'm done after that short break. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is get these two pieces like that, and we're gonna attach them together, just like that. We're gonna turn it, and then we're gonna put it right there, tight it, just like that. And then we need this piece right here, and then put it like this. And then next we're gonna take this piece right there, put it here, take this, put it on top, just like that. Then we're gonna take 4 wheels or like something like that, and we're just gonna attach one to each corner. So number 1, and then number 2. Okay guys, when you are done all of those things, well, you have a Tesla Cybertruck. Yeah. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoy making this Cybertruck. See you next time. Bye.